everybody, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we're down at the allotment again, and what I'm going to do is now starting my clearing up and getting everything ready, because you need to get everything was ready before, but because I had a polytunnel I had to move a few things around, so I'm just going to start putting everything in their places where I want them. I've got a bed here which is a 8 by 5 bed here. So I'm butted it up against the border because this was meant to be out, but because of the polytunnel I could have left this bed out and come out another, put a 6 metre polytunnel there, but I wanted a 5. So what I'm doing now, just put this bed flat. Just getting the paper out of here. I'm just getting this bed flat, and just got a couple of these boxes. I've put some down already, as you can see. Don't know if my cameraman's showing that. So I'm just trying to get another one flat. Then what I'm going to do, right, so what I want to do is get this as flat as I can. So putting that like that. So what this bed I'm going to be using this bed for is for my potatoes. So you might see that so I'm going to be putting some of the weed mat on there, and that's all I'm going to do. I'm not building putting a no dig bed there. It's just going to be because I pull out all my potatoes in pots, I'm going to just put the pots inside here so that they're out of the way. Hope this paper don't blow all over the place because I don't want them complaining. So I'm going to do this and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've got the first one done. I've got the weed mat on it. Doesn't look neat, but it doesn't have to be neat because it's just resting the buckets on top. So I'll put the cardboard underneath and just put it like that for now. So that's just to rest my potato buckets on. I've got another small bed what's going up here, where I'm going to be putting my some of my herbs in, like my thyme and that, or whatever herbs we use, and just put them in there. I'm just digging this small square. So that, doesn't matter about the soil going over there because I'm going to be filling it in when I get the chance. That's one thing where you got an allotment, is to remember that you're going to always be needing compost and soil. That's the most expensive part of your allotment. Right, so I've got this bit to flatten back out, so I'm going to do that and I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so got the bed here. This is what I'm going to be putting my herbs in, my thyme and what other herbs I feel like. It's mostly thyme what we use anyway, so I don't know about the other stuff, but I'll see what else to put in there. So that's the bed for it. Pots in there and put a bag of manure on. These are what I found in the don't know what they are. Not sure if these are my yacons. I found some yacons and some oaks in there. So I've got all these big roots in there, and they're starting to come, but I can't remember what was in what bucket now. But I know they're not okra, because okra yams just stay small. But all these are starting to come back. See the growth in them. But I don't think they're okra yams. Not sure what these are. I think they're not okras. I think this could be my yacon, because I had some yacons and I put the roots in one of these buckets, but I thought it was inside. So these could be them. They're starting to come back now. So I'm just going to leave them there for now, and then when I come on, find a place to put them, maybe back up the top where they were before. So that's all that. If you're liking our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We do ask for you. We'll keep this a little bit lower. When I'm opening up the door, it's not dragging along until when I decide what I'm going to do here. If we could have used concrete on here, then I would have dug this lower and filled it in and levelled it off with concrete. So I've just got a little concrete level. So that's that. So I'm going to look what else there is to do, and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I'm on to another bed now. Compost was piled up. All I had to do was pull bed down. You might think that I'm not going to be able to get to things, but we'll work that out as we go along, what we're putting in there. So just going to try and level off this this. It's a mix of compost and manure and everything's in there. So, if you've been bed, you know how much compost it takes to fill up one of these. I think this is a 8 by 6. 8 by 6 or 8 by 8, I'm not sure. One of them sizes anyway. Can't really get up into this corner there. Where this is here now, put some cardboard that will keep the grass off of the sides. I'll fill this in as much as I'll level it off as much as I can. Try not to make one side higher than the other. My onions in here, but I'm not sure where I'm putting them yet. I was planning on that top bed. This one's ready now. Like I was saying, if you're liking our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave comments in the comments section. We will get back to you on them. And I hope you enjoyed this one. And thanks for watching. This is all. My body's going to let me do for now. Still recovering. We're getting there. I can start bringing out contents for you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one.